What's up, guys? Today we have '05 Chevy Colorado, and I'm gonna show you how to replace your brake rotors. So I mean, it's kind of a bit of a work to do it, but I'm gonna show you the basics so you know what you get into it. We're gonna remove the wheel, and then we're gonna remove the brake pads, brake calipers, and the brake pads bracket. Then after that, I'm gonna show you how to remove the rotor. Okay, now we got the tire off. We're gonna be removing the brake caliper, which is this two right here, 13 millimeters. Then after that, we're gonna remove this bracket for the brake pads. They got these bolts right here. There's one right here, one down there. They're like 21 millimeters. So let's remove that, and then we can get to the rotor. Okay, so I got the caliper and the bracket off. Then you're gonna remove the ABS sensor. You only have a clip over here, two clips over here, and then these little clips that goes like around here, and your plug right there, that is right here, and you will find them behind this thing. After that, you have to remove four 15 millimeters bolt that you have over here in the back. I already removed them, but they're right here. They go like one over here, two, three, and four. Whenever you take this off, then you're gonna try to pull the whole hub assembly, because this is a one part, it's a two-part thing. This is the hub, and then you got the rotor right here. You're gonna remove these bolts. They're like 17 millimeters. I took four of them off, and I just loose these two, so that way they hold the rotor in place while I'm taking all the other stuff off. So once you got all that, you have to either get like wheel bearing extractor, or use heater over here with a hammer and just get this off. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so I got the hub out of the spindle. The easiest way to do it is what I did. I stick this big screwdriver like right here. So it was like two hits over here, and then like two hits over here with the hammer, then another two hits over here, like two on each side, and then you just pop out. After that, you got your hub. Be careful with your ABS sensor, because it's like behind this, as you can see. You need to be careful with that. Then after that, you only have to remove the remaining bolts right here. See, that's the bolt, and then you get your hub right there. So then you just install the new rotor. Put all those bolts right here first if you want. Then I'm gonna show you how to put this back together right here. Well, at least this part right here, which is the hardest part. All right. Okay, I got the rotor back in place. Okay, make sure you put your heat plate behind it, and make sure it's not scratching the rotor. See, just like that. Before you install the brake pads and the caliper and everything, make sure you clean your rotor for any grease that you put in there. As you can see, I got all the bolts right here. You just need to tie them up. Right here in the back, same thing. I got my bolts, and then I have to run my ABS cable from here all the way to here. Alright, and now that I'm doing this, I'm gonna put new brake pads on it. I really recommend to do it, because you got all the brakes set up apart, so it's better if you put new pads on it too. Alright, so I got this finished. Put new brake pads, put some lube, like grease. My ABS all the way over there. See, that's what it is. You need to put my tire back on, and we're good to go. Any questions, just let me know, guys. I'm gonna be posting more videos about different stuff. So like I said, this one is about Chevy Colorado. We're gonna have some more. Just please like the video, comment, share. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.